This embellished art technique begins on a finished PLEXIGEL enhancement in a coffin shape. Apply a thin, even layer of bonder to the tip of the enhancement and do not cure. Place black netting over the uncured bonder and wrap tightly around the nail. Use plastic wrap to hold down the netting while curing. Cure for 1 minute on button 2B. Remove the plastic wrap. Apply shaper to encase the netting and cure for 1 minute on button 2B. Perfect and further reinforce the apex by adding a string of gel down the vertical center of the enhancement. Use gravity pull by turning the finger over to help further define the apex. Cure for 1 minute on button 2B. Clean the nail with 99% IPA. Refine the nail shape using a 180 grit file and buffer, or utilize a medium grit diamond bit for e-file. Define the outline and shape of the enhancement. Clean the nail with 99% IPA. Apply CND shellac in Devil Red in the Zone 3 area of the nail. Use a detail brush to refine the outline. Cure for 1 minute on button 2S. Apply protector top coat. Cure for 1 minute on button 3. Clean with 99% IPA. Outline the tip with builder and do not cure. Sprinkle black glitter over the uncured builder. Cure for 1 minute on button 2B. Apply builder horizontally across the nail where the shellac meets the netting and do not cure. Place embellishments into the uncured gel. Cure for 1 minute on button 2B. And there you have it, the final crowned Royale.